Hi and welcome to Peak Planet. In this video we are going to cover how to pack your duffel bag for Mount Kilimanjaro. First of all, we recommend bringing a 90-liter duffel bag. You can either use it as a checked bag or roll it up and put it in your suitcase. Once it is time to pack the duffel for the mountain, here's what we suggest. Bring dry bags and Ziploc bags. Place any items that you do not want wet inside of them. And close them correctly. Roll up clothing to make more room. Stuff smaller items inside your boots. Pack all of your toiletries in a toiletry bag. Pack your clothes in dry bags and your snacks in Ziploc bags. Bring a small pillowcase to stuff your jacket into for a pillow. Wrap breakable items inside a fleece. Just remember to keep the weight under 33 pounds. That is the maximum weight a porter can carry according to the Kilimanjaro's Porter's Assistance Project. Thank you for watching.